this one.
Hi guys. Hello.
Vultures are.
That's what kind of hawk we're talking about. The hawk?
The hawk, yes.
So cute.
Hello. You okay?
Yeah, just outside.
Oh. Let me see. Oh, look. There's a mule deer doe right there.
Aww,
See that?
cute.
I recognize this doe. Yeah,
So pretty.
She looks
She is.
sleepy. I guess she's tired.
of course. Well-
Afternoon nap for her today.
Yeah. If only she needs, no matter how many funds she gives birth someday.
Yeah.
And I just wonder if the rest of the mule deer were here somewhere. You know, if only she needs a funds. Yeah. Maybe she needs a mate. You know, a buck. Some kind of mule deer buck.
She's nervous. It's okay.
Falcon. Incredible. That is a falcon.
It's okay. We're not here to hurt you, baby.
Display. I remember
We're not here to hurt you. You're okay.
Oh,
It's okay.
so cute. Oh,
So, do you know that the falcon, they screech?
yeah,
There's bees here, so be careful, okay, guys?
This is barn owl.
Barn owl.
Yes, it is. A barn owl. Wait a minute.
I didn't figure out.
Barn owls can catch prey. Small prey. You know, like mice or rats.
Yeah.
Or something else.
I didn't know about their scientific name until watching Guardians of the Google, and I was like, so.
Barn owl Tyto
Yeah,
alba.
they're Tyto albas.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, what the hell?
She's
Tyto?
being funny.
Maybe they always screech. Barn owls can screech.
I think it's a little bit annoyed. It's supposed to be sleeping.
Are you mad?
Yep. The barn owl was mad.
Why is he mad?
Mighty dangerous. So we don't want to provoke the barn owls. We don't want to provoke the barn owls, do we? Exactly.
You're nice to them, huh?
Yeah.
Here's two more owls.
Owls.
Yeah.
I see that. These owls, two of them, they can hoot.
These are
I don't think we can come in here. We can't be in here.
How come?
Because last time we came, this is like for like campers.
Yeah.
Mm.
Did somebody tell you?
Yeah.